Hi, this is Esther from Cemantica. I'm sure that you are wondering how Alex or AI assistant can enrich an existing map that you have created. Let's see. Here we are on your map. Imagine this is your map. You have created your stages. You have two personas associated to this map. All the interaction are here. I see that VOC data is connected. That's pretty nice. And then I have a list of all the pain points that I have created with my team. Now I'm in a delivery stage, and at these specific pain points, I would like Alex to help me generate an opportunity or ideate a solution out of these pain points. So I can ask him here very simply to generate an opportunity or ideate a solution out of this specific pain point. So let's try. So Alex is working on it. He's going to propose me three different solutions. Here we go. We have the three different solutions. So I can decide to select all of them or say, oh, I think that solution one is this is seems like, the one that I was looking for. I can use the selected. And then if I go here in my solution, I will see my solution appearing here in delivery. This is a complex project, as I can see. If I open it, then I will have the detail and the impact the solution is going to have on the people, processes, technology. It's a clear description and nice description that you have here, and all the information about this solution. All right, so you see, pretty simple. Then if you want to see all your solution, you can always go back to the menu and have all your solution here listed. Then you can create your own view. I have my quick win views here. For example, I can edit the column and the criteria, and then sort and filter all the different um, criterias. All right. So very simple, very easy. If you want to have more information on solution and on the Cemantica platform, you can go to our website cemantica.com or contact us at info@cemantica.com. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye.